Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your Mobills account and start fresh. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To reset your Mobills account and start from the scratch, open up your Mobills application on your device first. You may also access Mobills web via a computer or your cell phone. After you launch open the app from the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now, tap on the Gear button at the top right corner. Under the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Select Start from Scratch. But remember that once you do this, the action cannot be undone, so be sure before resetting your data, your subscription won't be affected by this reset. So if you want to do that, tap on Start from Scratch and then select what would you like to keep from some of the menu displayed on the screen. You can choose to keep your accounts, credit cards, and other details by selecting on the information displayed on the screen and click on Continue. Tap Continue once again and you will now be able to reset your Mobills account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.